Welcome back to part 2 of the John Deere 111. What you see before you is extremely dry John Deere green paint, and I am going to wet sand it down the smoother surfaces. Um, I'm not going to worry about down in here because I'm going to be doing something different there. So to make that where it has grip. So anyways, hang tight, and I'll be back here in just a couple minutes. Alright, so here we are. I'm just using a little bit of warm water and soap mix. Nothing crazy. Not even a lot of soap, so I just want to smooth it out, and then I'm going to repaint it, or recoat it. I'm not even going to get that crazy in detail about it. I'm just hitting it one time and calling it good. I want to get all that dirt out of it. Go ahead and get over here. Probably out of view of the camera, but you guys get the gist. There we go. Alright, so here we are again. It's been about 3 hours. It's warmed up a little bit, and I already started kind of touching this up. We're doing this in my garage because it's just too windy outside to be doing it. But I'll go ahead and hit it with some more paint here and show you guys that. I probably won't record it all, but I'll record everything I do, show you what I did after. Got some runs in already. And move y'all to the back here. I want to say thank you to John for making my intro and outro video. I do appreciate that, so thank you very much. Links in the description are for all the products I use, as well as my Facebook group. You're welcome to join that group if you like, share your projects. Anybody's welcome, all ages, sex, race, all that is welcome to do that. Also, patreon.com. If you guys want to support my channel, then by all means go ahead and click that. And also smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Your feedback is always appreciated, and your subscription is definitely appreciated. So I do thank you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 3 of the John Deere